This conference will now
Well,
be
you are
recorded.
able to. Okay. On last session, we discussed about the something called what on 26th October. We discussed about the start with ends with sorry contains char at two uppercase, two lowercase, index of elements contains contains will returns the boolean value. If it is contains a specific thing inside the string, it will returns the true value. Okay. See, I can tell you some examples here itself. I'm navigating to workspace. See, same way we can use start with ends with everything. I can say that contains, come on, start with ends with this all returns the boolean statement. If the particular element is available, then it will return true or false. Okay. See, I can take one string. String str is equal to hi, hello, sir. See, I am taking some string like this. Str dot contains. It contains some characters. I can say that it contains any hi. See, I want to print this. This will be written Boolean statement. See, in the same way, contains. I can take system.out.println like different things. Like str dot start with any string. Is it contains start with hi? Yes, it will return true because it start with the hi. And I can say that it contains hi. Yes, it will return true. In the same way, I can say that ends will also. See, str dot ends with hello. It will return what it will return, guys. Is it ending with sir or hello? It's ending with sir, but I am taking hello. It will return false. See, if I run this, guys, you can able to observe the output. See, true, true, false means this contains start with ends with all will returns the Boolean statement. Yes or no, guys? All will returns the Boolean statements. This is the output. So that I am copying this code first. Then after that I am taking the output. Control C. I am using this example for all this. Example. Okay, this is the output that will come. Okay, start with ends with the like this. For this, this is the output, correct? Brahma, you are facing any internet issues? You're dropping and coming in every time. Brahma, are you facing any issue? This is the output that will come from the start with ends with and what are the code itself. Key coming to the split, split is nothing but dividing each word into array. See, I can tell you one example. See, I have the one string. See, I have the string is equal to testing evening batch. Observe carefully. I have a string called testing evening batch. What I want to split all the string into different words. See, this is the one word. This is the one word. This is the one word. I need to split into each other separate word. How I can store it? So yes dot split with some any regular expression. I can split with spaces. So that what will happen? It will be taken as a string of array into data. See, if I print this data, what is the output? This will give the data as a separate array. See, what will the output? This will print the data in a form of array. See, data dot get to string. Sorry, I need to convert this into the string. Very. Java.lang.string. Maybe I can print with the help of for each loop. How to print for each loop? నేను చెప్పాను కదా ఇంతకు ముందు. See, testing divided in one form. Evening is one form. See, it is divided into three strings. అవునా కదా? Initially, the testing will be the all the three characters. In the same way, I have one int date. I have. See, I have 12, 10, 19, 91. I can split with the help of date also. See, date dot split. I can take it as string so that we can easily split. See, I have the string with the date. Okay, I want to split this data with the month, character, everything. Split with the what? With this forward slash. Okay, I am storing this into the one array. How to store in array? In a form of integer. Int arr. Okay, this is the string. We need to typecast it. String. See, I will get the one by one array. Array of 0. I can take one of the one. String date is equal to array of 0. Yeah, this is the date now. Yeah, already date is used. Date 1. Okay, I want another thing. String. What is the next one? Month is equal to array of what? 1. Month position. I need to take string year is equal to array of 2. I want to print this entire data. System.out.date is. What is the date is? Date 1. Yes or no, guys? I need to know one more thing. That is month. How I can define it? Month is. What is the month? Month here. System.out.println. I am taking here. See, if I print the data, it will give entire all the three strings. Date, month, year, everything it will print. See, date is 12, month is 10th, year is 1991. Okay, this is the use of the split method. Okay, guys, this is one example. Okay, this is another example to split the data. Okay, this will split the data with the help of these traces. Okay, that is the use of the split method. For example, in the Selenium, they will give the like this. Please select the date from the calendar like this. Okay, you need to split everything with any split method. And see, first you will see to split with the date. Now I know what is the date. Now I know what is the month. Now I know what is the year. Based upon this string reference, these strings, I can able to select particular date from the calendar. Yes or no, guys? Avuna kada? Or I can make it as August also. But we need to see. See, month is August, date is 12, year is 1991. Okay, guys. In this way, we can perform the split operations in the
Sir,
string manipulations. Yes.
సార్ అది డేట్ మంత్ ఇయర్‌లోనే ఇవ్వాలా? లేకపోతే చేంజ్
Anything,
కూడా చేయొచ్చా సార్?
anything. I can change it. See, string. But ఏంటంటే ఏదైనా ఎనీథింగ్ ఐ నీడ్ టు స్ప్లిట్ యాజ్ ఎ సపరేట్ వర్డ్స్ ఒక గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ ఒక స్ట్రింగ్ ని ఐ నీడ్ టు స్ప్లిట్ యాజ్ ఎ డిఫరెంట్ పార్ట్స్ స్ట్రింగ్ ఐ కెన్ సే లైక్ దిస్ calendar date is equal to I can say that 1992 split 12th March. Then I need to take the positions will be changes. Yes or no? Now what will be happen? 0th position. If I split this calendar date, what will the 0th position? 0th position should be the year. Avana kada. See, calendar date and split. For example, I am taking in this way split. I need to split with this symbol. I am storing this as a string array. Split అంటే ఏం లేదండి. It will dividing into the parts. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part. అవి ఏమవుతుంది అప్పుడు అరే అవుతుంది కదా. సో ఐఎమ్ స్టోరింగ్ దిస్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ అరే ఆఫ్ స్ట్రింగ్ cal dates. Okay, means calendar date. See, I want to print all the one after another. String symbol calendar year is equal to what is the position? Cal dates of index 0th position. I will get the year. Avana kada. I want to cal date underscore date. How to get it? Cal dates. I need a position of 1. In the first position, what will be here? This is the 0th position. This is the first position. This is the third position. What is the second position? Anyone? String cal? Anyone? Month.
మంత్.
అక్కడ ఏముందో that we need to take it.
cal date 2.
Okay. Now I want to print all the things. System dot out dot. Oh my god. Cal date is calendar date. What should be here? Same. Cal underscore date. In the same way, I need to take
సార్ ఫస్ట్ డేట్ తీసుకున్నారు. ఇయర్ తీసుకోవాలి.
anything we can take it, guys. స్పెసిఫిక్ గా నేను ఏమైనా కాల్ చేయొచ్చు అందుకని కావాల్సి కానీ మార్చాను
ఓకే.
సి ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ క్యాల్డేట్ ఐ కెన్ టేక్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఇక్కడ డిఫైన్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఏ స్ట్రింగ్ పిలిస్తే ఏముంది చెప్పండి ఇండెక్స్ అయితే కరెక్ట్ ఉండాలి పొజిషన్ ఇక్కడ ఇయర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి 0th పొజిషన్ ఇయర్ రాసుకున్నా ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ పొజిషన్ డేట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి డేట్ రాసుకున్నా ఇక్కడ సెకండ్ పొజిషన్ మంత్ ఉంది కాబట్టి మంత్ రాసుకున్నా బట్ ప్రింటింగ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ వీ కెన్ ప్రింట్ ఎనీవే ఓకే ఓకే శిరీష ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఫైన్
ఎస్ సార్.
see date is calendar date is 12 calendar year is 1992 calendar month is March same way date is 12 August 1991 testing batch evening okay that will split the everything okay very important topic guys in the selenium if you learn this topic you can use it somewhere okay
హలో సార్
చెప్పండి
సార్ ఇప్పుడు డేట్ మంత్ ఇయర్ని స్పేస్ ఇచ్చి రాసాం అనుకో అప్పుడు జస్ట్ స్ప్లిట్ డేటా అని రాస్తే సరిపోద్దా సార్
split space
టెస్టింగ్ ఈవినింగ్ బ్యాచ్ అనేది స్పేస్ ఇచ్చి రాశారు. సో, అది
Hmm.
ఒకేసారి ప్రింట్ అయిపోయింది. ఇలా ప్రతిదానికి ఇవ్వకుండా.
అలా కూడా ప్రింట్ చేయొచ్చు అండి. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఇండెక్స్ పొజిషన్ తీసుకోండి. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఇస్ ఇండెక్స్ పొజిషన్ డైరెక్ట్లీ సిస్టమ్ డాట్ అవుట్ డాట్ data of 0. 0th position what will be available? Testing will be available. I can remove this for each loop. I am printing by using the for each loop. I want the position of the last position. Data 2. See, ఇప్పుడు ఏం ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది? ఓన్లీ టెస్టింగ్ ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది అండ్ బ్యాచ్ ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది. See, this will give the exception because there is no split calendar. We splitted with space, correct? See, only it is printed testing and batch. Index position of print చేయొచ్చు. If I want to print all the data, I am taking this array. ఇది అరేనే కదండి. This is the string array. By using for each loop, I am printing the array data. అవునా కదా? Guys,
ఎస్ సార్. ఎస్ సార్.
please speak out. Okay, 1 second, guys. I am getting one call. See, this is the example of the split method. Very, very, very important, guys. Split method. How to split? I got you got some clarity. Yes or no? From the class, everyone dividing each
Sir,
word into array. Okay. And now I am going to use the trim. Okay, trim means what it will do means it will remove the extra spaces before or after the string. See how it will remove the spaces means I can tell you. See, I am writing one string so that you can able to understand. String str is equal to some name I am taking space space space. How many spaces? 1 2 3. 3 spaces. Testing space space space. See, the string should be print like this with these spaces. Yes or no? I want to remove these spaces. See, what is the count? I can tell you once again. 3 plus 6 plus 3. What is the total number? 12. See, if I take the count, string dot length will give the count. See, what will happen if I print like this? Count is 13. If I do like this, okay. See, I'm before that I'm going to tell you one thing, that is method chaining. Method chaining is a one topic which is inside the strings that is used to perform the method operations. Method chaining means I will tell you. Please, guys, please listen carefully. Very, very important topic. Very, very important means it's very easy and important. Method chaining. Method chaining is nothing but okay. Method chaining means resultant of one string will be used for another string. Okay, another string is called what? Method chaining. ఒక మెథడ్ లో వచ్చిన రిజల్ట్ ని ఇంకొక మెథడ్ లో యూజ్ చేసేదాన్ని మెథడ్ చైనింగ్ అంటారు. మెథడ్ చైనింగ్ మీన్స్ రిజల్టెంట్ ఆఫ్ వన్ స్ట్రింగ్ విల్ బి యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ ద అనదర్ స్ట్రింగ్ మెథడ్. Another string method is called method chaining. See, I can tell you one example. so that you can understand. See here itself. I am taking the length here. What is the output length 13? Because it contains only 6 characters, but before 3 told you the 13 length. See, if I take different way by using method chaining. See system.out.println str.trim dot length. See, after trimming the spaces, I am getting the length of the string. Before trimming of string. This is called after trimming of string. See, trim means it will remove the spaces. It remove the unwanted spaces. See, ఈ స్ట్రింగ్ వన్ రిజల్టెంట్ డేటా దీనికి ఒక రిజల్ట్ వచ్చింటుంది కదా ఏమొచ్చింటుంది ఈ స్పేసెస్ రిమూవ్ ఈ టెస్టింగ్ వచ్చింటుంది దిస్ రిజల్టెంట్ డేటా విల్ బి యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ ద అందర్ మెథడ్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ది మెథడ్ చైనింగ్ వన్ రిజల్టెంట్ డేటా ఆఫ్ ది string will be used for the another method is called method chaining. Very important guys. Method chaining is okay. Method chaining means if you want to provide only the something like say I can give one more example also. System.out.println str dot I am printing trimming this string. Then after that I am taking subset of I am taking from the from 0 1 to I am taking from 3. What will output? TING will print. See, this will result give the this result. After this result, I am getting the substring of this tree. Substring means you will take the starting index and print up to end. Okay. One resultant data will be used for the other resultant is nothing but method chaining. Okay. Very important guys. See if I take another thing you can able to understand. See if I take str dot trim method then I am taking substring start index and beginning index. See I am taking starting index of 0 and then ending index should be 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4 means no output will what will the output anyone what will be the output. It will print test. First start index will be considered, end index won't be considered. So output should be test. See, in the substring, make it remember guys, very important. In substring, we will take two parameters, correct? Parameter 1, comma, parameter 2. Here, param 1 is printed and param 2 is not printed. Means before that it will print. It will nothing but -1. దాని ముందుది ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది ఓకే very important guys this example also. I think you are able to understand what I am saying is length will give the size of the string. This is what is this? This is method which provides the length of what guys? Length of string is okay. Example, make example very important guys. Okay, avuna kada. This is the example for the string. Yeah, it's maybe date change. I need to copy this all method inside 1 second. From here I need to take it. What is the today's date? 27th, correct? I'm taking rename. I'm taking 27th October. Save yes. Okay. This is about the method chaining. One resultant data will be used for the one resultant method data. One resultant of string will be used for the other string method is called the method chaining. Okay. I can take as much as possible string, trim, substring. Again, I need to take the length of the substring. See, I want to take after this. I need to take the length of this. See what will the output up to this 1 to what is the length? 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4. See, it will print 4. I think so. See 4. See, ఇక్కడ trim చేసిన spaces. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేసింది? It will taking the subset means first character, second character, third character, fourth character will be taken. Okay, and then it is taking the length. So that what is the length? Total length is 4 characters కదా. So it is printing print. So one resultant of string will be used for the other resultant of string is called string method chaining. Okay, you can take this also example. Okay guys, that is about the method chaining, and I will tell you one more thing. It's very important, please look carefully guys. Okay, length and in the interview definitely they will ask you length method. They will ask you what is the difference between length and length method. Very important guys. Length is an variable in Java and length is method. ఇదంటే మెథడే కదా parenthesis అంటే is method length is method in Java. Okay, next point is by using length we can find length of variables. Variables length find out చేయడానికి we will use the length variable. Okay, by using length method we can find length of string. A string in అన్ని చూపిస్తారు. I'll tell you one example so that you can able to understand. Okay guys, I'm taking one array. You know about how to declare array. Int array. I am taking some group of numbers 10, 20, 30, 40. Then after that I need the length of this array. How to get it? System dot out dot sorry system dot out dot println. I'm doing a dot length. What will you give me the length of the array? In the same way, I'm taking one more string str is equal to what is string str is equal to I am taking testing. I want the length of this. By using which method I can get it? System dot out dot println. By using str dot length method. What happened guys? Length method, I will get the length of the string. See, by using length variable, we can find the length of the variables. By using length method, we can find the length of the string. Very, very important guys. Make a note it. Okay, everyone, if you have any questions? See, I will tell you one example also. I am taking one integer. Int a is equal to defining some numbers 10, 20, 30, 30, 40. In the same way, I want to get the length of this integer. Simple a dot length variable. This will return length of variables. In the same way, I am taking string str is equal to it's not array guys, it's a normal string. If you define anything like this, this will become the array. I am taking string of automation. Then I am going to print how to get the length of this method's strings by using length method. See, this is the method. This will return length of string. See, 4, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Automation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. అవునా కదా? Length and length method, very, very important. Length is a variable. Length method is a method which is inside the method is used to get the length of the string. Length variable is used to get the length of the word. Anyone guys? Arrays variables like this. Yeah. One example I am taking here. See, I will tell you one more examples. That's all about all the things which is inside this done is done. Like a caret, index set, two uppercase, two lowercase. We discuss about trim, length method, substring method, start with, ends with, split, method chaining. అన్ని discuss చేసాం కదండి. Now I am going to discuss this is two more methods. That is important methods in string. Those methods are see very very important. I am taking those methods. Please observe carefully, guys. I am taking some equals and compare methods in what? Selenium. Sorry, in Java. Very, very important methods. Okay. See, if these methods are used to compare both the things. Above are the two methods which is inside string used to compare. What is it to compare? Used to compare two strings. Okay. Okay. Equals method, return type is equals method will returns what? Will returns boolean value. Okay. Compare method will returns positive negative values. Will return positive and negative values. See, I can tell you equals method and above two methods are used to compare strings, two strings. Equals method will return the boolean value. You know what is the boolean value? May know boolean value? True. Anyone? True, comma false. Okay. This will return the positive negative values. Positive, negative, and 0. See, I can tell some examples. so that you can able to understand. Say I'm going to take one string. Okay, very important guys. See, I'm taking the string like this. String str is equal to I'm taking Mohan. Again, I'm taking string str1 is equal to same Mohan. Okay. What happened guys? I'm going to take system.out.println str dot equals method of str1. See what will the output? Both are equal. What it will return? It will return Boolean statement. That is true. See, I'm taking one more string. String str2 is equal to. See, I'm comparing these strings. Str dot equals to. I'm comparing with the str2. What will the output? Anyone? What will the output? Is this Mohan is equal to Reddy? Anyone, guys?
Yes, sir.
What is the output? The output should be false. అవునా కదా? If both are not equal,
Mohan.
see, Mohan is equal to Mohan, so it is returning true. Mohan is not equal to Reddy, so it is returning what?
False.
False. See, I am taking one more string. You can observe carefully. Very good. String str3 is equal to. I am taking with this like this. Okay. Now I am printing one more thing. Can anyone tell me? Str dot equals to str3. Is it true or false? Anyone?
True.
False.
Why false? Why true?
Capital letters, small letters.
Correct. Yes. It is equals method just to compare both the data. See, it will return
Case
what
sensitive
false.
also. Yeah.
Yes, case sensitive. Equals method will be case sensitive. Okay. To overcome this problem, what I will do means I don't know. For example, in my application there is a str1 will be there in my application. I want to compare this str application from application to code. How I can make it by using equals ignore case is the method available to compare two data. See, I can tell you by using this method, it will make true. I don't know either it is capital letter or small letter. In these cases, I can go with the equals ignore case of str3. Either it's small letters or small capital letters. I need to compare with the with the data. No need to compare with the characters with the lowercase and uppercase. See here, true, true, false, false, true. Okay. By using equals ignore case, it will ignore the data. See, it will ignore the case sensitive. Okay. This is about the equals can ignores. Equals is a method which is used to compare the two objects. But case sensitive is important. Okay, it is method inside where inside string class where it allows where it does not allows case sensitive. While comparing data. Very, very important case. Please make a note it of 100 starts. Or you can make it 10,000 stars also, no problem. How much stars you can, that much of stars you can take it. No problem, guys. No problem at all. Okay. Now I am going to use define as of now what we completed. We completed with the equals method. Now I am telling with the compare method also. So that the compare method will return the positive negative value. See, if both are equal, it will return the positive value. If both are not equal, what will return? See, it will return the negative value. See, compare to, sorry, it's a compare to method, not compare. Sorry guys, I forgot. Compare to method. Okay, equals method compare to methods. Compare to str1. What will be the output? Anyone? If both are equal, what will be the output? It will return 0. See, if I take SYSO, see str1 dot, okay, equals to str3. See what will returns? See, small letters will be start. I said now, string for every character there is a ASCII values. See for A, for smaller A, it will start from 97. For capital A, it will start from what? 65. I told now in the previous session. So it will comparing this str with this str. The first one is capital M, this one is capital M. It will return 0. And the second it is what? It is 0. It will be along some number will be available. I don't know exactly. I can explain with the other example so that you can able to understand. See, oh, I need to take compare method. Compare to method I need to take. అవునా కదా? నేను ఇంకా ఈజీగా చెప్తాను so that you can able to understand. 32 is the difference because I can tell you one more example so that you can understand very easily. String s is equal to very important. See, I am taking Anu. Okay, string s1 is equal to I am taking Banu. See, I am comparing the system.out.println s dot compare to s1. See, what is this a count? The a value should be, what is the a value? నేను చెప్పాను ASCII value small letter start with 97. Okay, what is the b value? Minus 98. What will return? It will return -1 కదా. We'll see. See, -1. అవునా కదా? See, if I change the positions, see, I'm comparing S1 with S. What is the S1 value? B. 98 minus 97. So it will return +1. Now here output should be +1. See, by comparing with the help of ASCII values. In the same way, I am taking same string. I think you can able to understand. String SS is equal to, I am taking capital Anu. String SS1 is equal to, I am taking Banu. What is the ASCII value of the capital A? 65. Yes or no, guys? 65 కదా. See, I'm printing like this. System.out.println ss dot compare ss dot compare to with ss1. What is the ASCII value of A? 65. This is for 66. It will return what? 65 minus 66. It will return 1 minus 1. See, minus 1. Then value 65 కదండి A. See, I am comparing 65 minus 66, it will return minus 1. If I change this position to system.out.println ss1 dot compare to with ss, what is the output now? Plus 1 kada. 66 minus 65 plus 1. Okay, guys. Are you able to understand what I said? Compare method will return, so if both are equals, it will return either positive value or negative value based upon the ASCII value. For capital letters, it will start from 65. For small letters, it will start from 97. Okay, guys? Okay, na students? నేను చెప్పేది అర్థమైందా
Yes,
కాలేదా
sir.
అండి? Please respond, guys, so that I can know something. See, నేను ఇంత జావా చెప్తున్నానంటే ఇంకా మెయిన్ యూసేజ్ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ఫెమిలియర్ విత్ దిస్ జావా యూ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు క్రాక్ ద ఇంటర్వ్యూ. సి ఇప్పుడు మార్కెట్లో అందరూ సెలీనియం నేర్చుకుంటారు. ఒక పర్సన్ ఈజీగా ఇంటర్వ్యూలో జడ్జ్ చేయడానికి దే విల్ ఆస్క్ సమ్ జావా క్వశ్చన్స్. వాళ్ళకన్నా మీరు జావాలో కొంచెం బెటర్ పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ చేస్తే ఇంకా దెన్ యూ విల్ బి ద ఎక్సెల్ పర్సన్. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్? దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ ది స్ట్రింగ్ మ్యానిపులేషన్స్. Compare method, equals ignore method, split, index, substring, trim, ఇంకా ఏమున్నాయండి? లెంత్ మెథడ్, లెంత్ వేరియబుల్, మెథడ్ చైనింగ్, that we discuss all today. By today itself, I can say that the Java is completed. The only pending topic is exceptions. Okay, I can continue these exceptions along with Selenium. I will start this concept along with which Selenium. Selenium తో పాటు చెప్తానండి. Okay, I got the feedback from the people saying that the sir is very slow. He is not able to complete within a stimulated time and topic వచ్చింది. So that I can fast up thoroughly so that I can able to close this session by max of 15 days. Okay. From tomorrow onwards, we completely start with the what? Selenium. Before that Selenium, I can tell you what is Selenium. Okay, very important case. Note. What is మనం ఒకసారి జావా మొత్తం రివైజ్ చేసుకున్నామా? మీకు ఓకే అంటే ఇంకా లేకుంటే ఇంకా నేను సెలీనియం స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను.
Yes, sir.
ఓకే, అంటే రివైజ్ చేసుకున్నామా, కంటిన్యూ చేద్దామా సెలీనియం?
Revise చేసుకున్నాం.
Okay, what we discuss about as of now in Selenium? In Selenium, we discuss different types of Java. We discuss different types of things. First, class. Class is a logical entity. Class is a blueprint. What are the components in a class? There are 5 components in a class. What are those components? Anyone? Class components. Class contains.
Variables, methods,
Okay.
in
Variables.
instance variables,
One second.
static
That is
variables.
very good. Methods, constructors. Okay. Instance blocks.
Instance blocks, static blocks.
Okay. And static blocks. How many types of variables inside a class? How many types of variables?
3
Three
types.
Three
types.
types. Yeah. Okay. Local variable, static variable,
Local, static
and
variable,
and instance variable.
instance
How
variable.
many types of methods will be available? 2 types of methods:
2.
static methods and instance methods.
Right.
What is constructor? Anyone? Constructor is
Used
used to
with
write the business logic.
business logic.
Is
Business
used
logic.
to write. Next, business logics. those logics are executed at the time of object creation. Avuna kada? Instance blocks will be executed at the time of dart class file loading. Avuna kada? Sorry, static blocks will be executed at the time of dart class file load. Static instance blocks and constructor will be same, but for one instance, all for all the constructor, only one instance blocks will be executed. Executed at the time of object creation. ఎన్ని టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసి అన్ని టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్స్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతాయి లైక్ జీరో ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ పారామీటర్ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ అలా కానీ ఇన్స్టెన్స్ బ్లాక్స్ ఎన్ని కన్స్ట్రక్టర్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసినా కూడా ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తే కనుక ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఇన్స్టెన్స్ బ్లాక్స్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతాయి స్టాటిక్ బ్లాక్స్ విల్ బి ఎగ్జిక్యూటెడ్ బిఫోర్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేషన్ at the time of dot class file loading అవునా కదా before object creation at the time of dot class file loading. That is about the types of blocks. What are the OOPS concepts available in the Java? Anyone? How many types of OOP concepts are available in collections? Sorry, in Java. 4 types: abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance, and
Inheritance
encapsulation.
encapsulation.
Okay, abstraction is the 2 types: abstract class and interfaces. Polymorphism are 2 types: method overloading, method overriding.
Method
Inheritance
override.
is 5 types. Yes, very good. Inheritance is 5 types: single, multiple,
Single, multiple,
multi-level,
multi-level, hierarchical,
hybrid,
hybrid.
hybrid. Yes. No, what? How many will be supported in Java? Support only three
Three
types.
types.
What are those? Single. Yes.
Single,
Yes. Next. గైస్ మీరు చెప్పండి మా ఓన్లీ ఒకరే కదా క్లాస్లో అవినాష్ స్పీక్ అవుట్ సూర్యతేజ శ్రీనివాస్
Single, multi-level, and hierarchical.
వెరీ గుడ్ వెరీ గుడ్ అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ఎన్క్యాప్సులేషన్ ఎన్క్యాప్సులేషన్ is nothing but the process of wrapping code and data as a single unit is called encapsulation. What is the definition of polymorphism? Polymorphism definition 2 types చెప్పారు మెథడ్ ఓవర్లోడింగ్ మెథడ్ ఓవర్రైడింగ్ definition also very important. Existing of objects two or more forms, existing of objects in different forms is called polymorphism. Poly means many, morphism means changes. Okay, what is inheritance? Extending the properties from one class to another class by using extend keyword is called inheritance. What is abstraction? Hiding the implementation and showing the functionality of the application is called inheritance. Okay, guys, that is about the hoops concept. And also we discuss about one more thing that is collections. How many types of interfaces in a collection? 9 types. Anyone? List, set,
List, set,
sorted set.
starter set,
Yeah.
navigable set,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
sorted map,
9 interfaces
navigable,
will be. Yeah. They will ask you what is the difference between a collection and collections. What is collection?
collection,
Collection is
interface,
interface.
collections,
Collections is a
class,
class. Okay. If you want to represent group of individual objects as a single entity, you can go for collection interface. Collections is a class which is used to perform some operations which is inside the collections, like sort methods, synchronization methods. Something will be available. Okay. How many types of cursors in collections?
3 types,
Cursors for reading
Three
of
types.
data. 3 types of reading.
3
Yes.
types,
Enumeration, iteration, and list iteration.
iteration, list,
Okay. How many types of methods inside enumeration? Only 2 methods.
2
Those methods
methods,
are the has more elements,
has more
more
elements,
elements.
more
ఓకే
elements.
కరెక్ట్ నేను చెప్తానండి మీరే మీకు తెలిసాక నో ప్రాబ్లం తెలియకుండా వినండి హ్యాస్ మోర్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఇట్ కెన్ పెర్ఫార్మ్ ఓన్లీ వన్ ఆపరేషన్ దట్ ఈస్ రీడ్ ఆపరేషన్స్ ఎస్ ఆర్ నో గైస్ అండ్ నెక్స్ట్
Yes.
which came due to enumeration it perform only one operation and it is applicable only on the legacy classes So that what we came into pictorial iterator, correct? Iterator came into 1.2 version. Iterator contains how many methods? Three methods. That is as next,
Remove
next,
has next.
remove. Yes, that's it. Three methods. It can perform read the data by using next method. It can remove the data with the help of remove method. Okay. To overcome this problem, this iterator will came factorial. Iterator will came in 1.2 version. It will applicable for all the classes inside the collections. Okay. And then this iterator will be performed over only array list, but it can perform 9 types of operations. Has next, next, next index, has previous index, and previous, and it contains add, set, remove, 9 methods. It can perform redo, remove, replace, forward direction reading data, backward direction reading data. అవునా కదా? That's all about it. And coming to the map, also same. Map is nothing but if you want to represent group of individual objects as a key value pair, we can go for the map. Map is the interface which contains some methods. Those are implemented by using the some classes. Those classes are the hash map and linked hash map. Okay, and tree map. Both are same. And also we discussed about the string manipulations. What is a string? String is a immutable class. It won't allow the changes. Okay. String is a final class. Okay. Which does not allow for the extension. Okay. And coming to the string contains n number of methods. What are the methods inside the string? You can tell me. Substring, trim, length, caret, index X, and I can say that some more methods will be available. Lot of methods. Compare methods, equals method will return the plus minus. Equals method will returns the boolean value. To ignore the equals condition, we can perform equal indoor method. అవునా కదా? Shirisha, yes or no? What I'm saying correct కదా?
Yes, sir.
That's all about the Java. నేను ఇంకా జావా చెప్పుకుంటూ పోతే కనుక మీరు ఖచ్చితంగా కంప్లైంట్ ఇస్తారు. ఈ జావా చాలా ఎనఫ్ ఫర్ టెస్టర్స్. మీరు టెస్టింగ్ జాబ్ తెచ్చుకోవాలంటే ఇంకా నేను చెప్పిన జావాలో ఫెమిలియర్ అయితే కనుక ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఈజీ టు యూ పీపుల్ టు సస్టైన్ ఇన్ ద ఐటీ ఇండస్ట్రీ ఫర్ జావా ప్రాస్పెక్టివ్. నేను చెప్పిన జావా మీరు ఇప్పటి వరకు బాగా నేర్చుకుంటే మీరు మీ వర్క్ ఈజీగా చేసుకోగలరు ఆఫీస్లో. ఓకే. అవినాష్, సూర్యతేజ, శ్రీనివాస్, రావుట్ల శిరీష్. ఓకే. Shirish, sorry, same now Shirish. Okay, you can able to do all these things. Okay, guys. Now we are going to do about the selenium. Now we are going to start the selenium. What is selenium? Okay, selenium is nothing but it's a open source tool. It is a open source tool which is used to automate which applications? Web applications. Okay, which is used to automate web application. Open source అంటే ఏంటి నథింగ్ బట్ ఏం లేదండి, మీన్స్ we can easily download and we can use it. Okay, whereas paid tools, there is some paid tools will be available. Okay, those I can say that paid tools are UFT, LeanFT. ఇవన్నీ paid tools అండి, we need to paid and use. Whereas Selenium is a open source. అసలు ఇంకా ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా వాట్ ఈస్ సెలీనియం అంటే ఇట్స్ ఏ క్యాప్సూల్. అదొక టాబ్లెట్ ని తీసుకొని పేరు పెట్టారు. See, if I type Google Selenium, it will give the result of tablet. See, this is a capsules. ఈ సెలీనియం ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఆ క్యాప్సూల్ అనేది మర్చిపోయారు. ఈ సెలీనియం వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఇట్స్ నథింగ్ బట్ వన్ క్యాప్సూల్. ఓకే, టాబ్లెట్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ సెలీనియం. మీన్స్ once upon a time, at the time of manual testing, they don't know means they are blindly automating the applications with the help of manual testing. Manual ఇంటర్ఫియర్ చేసి టెస్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. అందువల్ల చాలా టైం పట్టేది. టు ఓవర్కమ్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ దే డెవలప్డ్ వన్ క్యాప్షన్. వాళ్ళు ఒక సెలీనియం కోడ్ రాసి ఆటోమేటిక్గా టెస్ట్ చేసే టూల్ని కలిపెట్టారు. అప్పుడు దానికి ఏం నేమ్ పెట్టాలో తెలియక దే సెట్ సెలీనియం ఇట్స్ క్యాప్షన్ ఫర్ ది ఆటోమేషన్ వర్క్. మీన్స్ మాన్యువల్ వర్క్ని ఎక్కువ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ ఎక్కువ టైం తీసుకోకుండా చేసేదానికి సెలీనియం యూజ్ చేశాను. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ ఓపెన్ సోర్స్ టూల్ విచ్ ఈస్ యూజ్ టు ఆటోమేట్ వెబ్ అప్లికేషన్. యూ కెన్ సే ఇట్స్ ఏ క్యాప్సూల్ ఫర్ టెస్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ అప్లికేషన్స్. ఎన్ని విధాలు కావాల్సిన అన్ని విధాలుగా చెప్పండి. ఇలానే డెఫినేషన్ చెప్పాలని రూల్ ఏం లేదు. నాకు నాకు ఏ వేలో వచ్చో ఆ వేలో నేను చెప్తాను. మీరు అనుకోవచ్చు సార్ ఏంది మరి ఇంత సింపుల్ ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్తానని. చెప్పేది పక్కన వాళ్ళకి అర్థం అవ్వాలి. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో గైస్? ఎనీవన్? సో దట్ ఐఎమ్ కన్వింగ్ ఇన్ దిస్ వే. ఓకే, Srinivas, Avinash, Shirisha. If you want, you can go for Google. You can find n number of definitions. Okay, what is Selenium? It's an open source tool which is used to automate web applications. Okay, which type of applications means applications like ఇంకా చెప్పాలంటే ఇంకా applications like web applications ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి? Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Opera, and I can say n number of. ఇంకా మీరు ఇంకా ఏవో చెప్పచ్చు. ఇంకా చెప్పాలనుకుంటే ఇంకా ఐఈ, ఇంటర్నెట్ ఎక్స్ప్లోరర్, అండ్ ఐ కెన్ సే దట్ ఇంకా చాలా ఉంటాయి. కొన్ని వందలు ఉన్నాయి. బట్ మనం వాడేది ఇవే మార్కెట్లో. మనకు తెలిసింది కూడా ఇవే అంటారు. ఎన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బ్రౌజర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సి యూ కెన్ సీ లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ బ్రౌజర్స్. సి క్రోమ్, సఫారీ, ఒపెరియా, ఇంకా ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి చూడండి. బ్రేవ్, ఇది చాలా బాగుంటుంది, వాడండి. బ్రేవ్, యూసీ బ్రౌజరు, ఒపెరియా మిను, ప్లేన్ పూలు, టార్ బ్రౌజ్, స్లిమ్ బ్రౌజ్, సి మంకీ, ఎపిక్, ఎన్నో ఉన్నాయి. మనకి ఏమంటే తెలియదు అన్ని. ఇన్ని వెబ్ బ్రౌజర్స్ ఉన్నాయి మనం ఆటోమేట్ చేయడానికి. కానీ మనం వాడేది ఓన్లీ దిస్. మనకు తెలిసింది అదే ఫైర్ ఫాక్స్. అందరికీ ఇది బాగా తెలుసు. నెక్స్ట్ ఫైర్ ఫాక్స్ తెలుసు, నెక్స్ట్ సఫారీ తెలుసు, నెక్స్ట్ ఇంటర్నెట్ ఎక్స్ప్లోరర్ తెలుసు. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో గైస్? అవునా కాదా? Okay, Selenium is an open source tool which is used to automate web application. It's a capsule for testing of application. Applications like it will test Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Opera, IE, in number of browsers. Okay. See, in Selenium, I can say that there is something will be available. See, if I want to automate this page, for example, this is a page inside the Selenium. ఇది ఎలా ఆటోమేట్ చేస్తుంది? ఈ బ్రౌజర్ని ఎలా ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవుతుంది? విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ బ్రౌజర్ వర్షన్. ప్రతి బ్రౌజర్కి ఒక వర్షన్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ వర్షన్ ద్వారా ఇట్ విల్ ఇంటరాక్ట్ టు ద డిఫరెంట్ బ్రౌజర్స్. సి ఐ కెన్ షో యూ. ఇక్కడ ఒక వర్షన్ ఉంది చూడండి, ఈ 94 వర్షన్. ఈ 94 వర్షన్ బేస్ చేసుకునేసి సెలీనియము ఈ బ్రౌజర్తో ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, మనం సెలీనియం అనేది ఓపెన్ సోర్స్ టూల్. వాటి కోసము వీ నీడ్ టు యాడ్ ది సమ్ జార్ ఫైల్స్, డిపెండెన్సీస్. వీ నీడ్ టు క్రియేట్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ ఐ కెన్ సే ఎన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్. ఫర్ సెలీనియం లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రీ రిక్వజైట్. మనం ఒక పని చేసే ముందర ఏమేమి కావాలన్నా, పూజ కావాలంటే టెంకాయ, పండ్లు, పూలు, అట్లా దీనికి కొన్ని ప్రీ రిక్వజైట్స్ అంటారు. ప్రీ రిక్వెస్ట్ ముందస్తుగా ఏం కావాలి సెలీనియం స్టార్ట్ చేయాలంటే? వీ నీడ్ సెలీనియం స్టాండ్ అలోన్ ఫైల్. I will explain everything guys, no need to worry. Selenium standalone file we need, and we need browsers, and we need .exe file of browsers. Okay, and we need Eclipse. Like any consider Eclipse, we need Maven. Maven is nothing but it's nothing but a project management tool. Okay guys, These are the prerequisites before starting the Selenium. This we need to know. Once you will set up with all these tools, then we are going to do the batting with the browsers. ఈ browsers తో ఆటలాడుకోవచ్చు. But 90% I can tell only with the Chrome browser because 95% of companies, very very important guys, 95% of IT companies will test their application in Chrome. నేను బాగా చెప్తానని నో నీడ్ టు వరీ ఇన్ సెలీనియం. బట్ బేసిక్గా నాకు జావా అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ సెలీనియం. ఎందుకు జావా చెప్పాలంటే ఇంకా చెప్పొచ్చండి, ఇంకా ఎన్నెన్నో ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ తీసుకోండి. నో నీడ్ టు, దిస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇస్ మోర్ ఎనఫ్ ఫర్ యూ టు లర్న్ సంథింగ్. ఓకే గైస్, అండ్ టుమారో విల్ డూ ద సెటప్, విల్ డౌన్లోడ్ ద prerequisites and we'll start one basic program in the selenium. Selenium per day నేను 1.5 hour తీసుకొనేసి I will wind up this entire session by within 15 days. Okay guys, I got the feedback from you people. సార్ చెప్పిన టైం కన్నా హైప్ చేయలేకపోతున్నాను టాక్ వచ్చింది. సారీ గైస్, నేను జావా చెప్దాం అనుకున్నాను బట్ నాకు టైం కుదరట్లేదు. ఓకే, సారీ ఫర్ ఇన్కన్వీనియన్స్. మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ బాగా చేయండి. శిరీష, అవినాష్, సూర్యతేజ, why that persons like Mahendra he is not able to join? Please convey that person, please join. The every session is very important. Okay guys, okay, because day to day you are new to this session. ప్రతిరోజు ఫస్ట్ డే లాగానే ఉంటుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫస్ట్ డే ఏం చెప్తాను, సెకండ్ డే కొత్తగా చెప్తాను, 15th డే కూడా కొత్తగా చెప్తాను, లాస్ట్ మీరు వెళ్ళిపోయే లాస్ట్ రోజు కూడా ఐ విల్ గివ్ ద న్యూ టాపిక్. సో ఎవరీ సెషన్ is very important. Please don't waste time. Please listen my sessions. Please. If you have any questions, I will let you know or we can wind up the session. Avinash, is it fine to you? Surya Teja, Srinivas.
Fine, sir.
Okay. Okay
Yes,
guys.
sir.
Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care. Good night.